We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to change your waist toner and your drums on a Xerox VersaLink C405. So the first thing you want to do, turn your printer to the side if you're not already on the side of it. Right here on this side, you will have this little hatch. Go ahead and pull it down. Then you need to take this little peach knob and turn it to where it's unlocked. Then you want to grab the handle here and pull this out. All right, this is going to be your waist toner. So go ahead and set that to the side. If you're replacing your waist toner, go ahead and set it to the side, unbox your new one. But if you're trying to get to your drums, then you want to go ahead and push down on this, and that'll kind of release the drum so you can pull it out. There is one for each color. So set your old one to the side, unbox your new one. When you're installing the drum, make sure not to touch any of this stuff right here because you would hate to damage it. So try to just hold it with one hand, and then you just want to follow the guides and then push in place once you get it in there. When you're replacing your drums, they do have down here under the black drum, there's this little felt pad LED cleaner, so it can clean the LED that's in here. So what you want to do is right where you have the marks for the colors, you want to take the felt pad facing down and stick it inside right here and just run it through 1 or 2 times and get that cleaned. And you can do that with each color, and it's right above the slot that says the color that is for the drum. So once you do all those, you just take this bad boy, stick it back right in here, its little compartment holder. Then you want to take your waist toner. The waist toner is a little bit tricky to kind of get back in, so you kind of want to line it up and then press that in. You need to make sure it clasped in here, here, and here. So once you know there's no movement, you know it's in there locked tight. So then what you need to do is secure it, put this back in locking position, and you're good to go. You have now changed your waist toner and your drums. Thank you for watching our video today, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.